Hi, I'm Ed Samuel, career coach with SamNova. Hey, thanks for joining us on this edition of Career Trails. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Now, I'm here today with Jen Samuel, who's currently the social media and public relations manager for the Pennsylvania Institute of Technology and does some freelance work for us here at SamNova. So we're at a new park and trail today. It's called East Fallowfield Community Park. It's a few miles south of Coatesville, Pennsylvania. Has about 5 miles of hiking trails, a large pond, and yes, you can fish from the pier. So off we go to see who Jen and I might run into this afternoon.
Okay.
What is your first name and where do you live?
Marcel Vasquez, and I live here in Coatesville, PA.
What is your profession?
Well, I'm I'm cleaning houses. Yeah, with my mom's company.
Okay.
Yeah,
And how long have you been working in the family business, cleaning houses?
like around 10 years.
10 years? So your mom's an entrepreneur. Are you learning business insight from her and how to run the business?
Yes, yes, I learning about her. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then what has been the hardest part of your career journey?
Uh, what is the part of what? I'm sorry.
What's the hardest part of your journey? And I mean, when you were little, did you have a dream to be a writer, an artist, and
Dreaming of be a nurse,
a
be a
nurse?
doctor. I have a daughter which is interested in being a nurse and is looking for a college.
Okay.
She's 21.
Okay.
She's looking for. Just waiting. Because I had cancer like last
Oh,
months, and she's just waiting for me to be better.
oh my
And
gosh.
she,
She's been
yeah,
taking care of you a little bit.
yeah.
Well, congratulations on your recovery.
Thank you.
What advice would you give to anyone out there interested in starting a cleaning business or interested in pursuing a nursing dream?
Well, I prefer that they study in the college and go to college and do better in school that just regular job or regular small company like a cleaning business or whatever. I always gonna say go to college, go
Good.
to do something better
Mm-hmm.
to be to have better life.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. And then your last question, do you have a tip for anyone what's your one piece of advice that inspires you? Like what is the faith that inspires you every day to work hard for your family?
My kids, my little kids, and I have said, I believe in God, and I just want to teach them that they something else better than just whatever I do all my life. Yeah, but
Great.
them, my family.
Your family. Awesome. And then we have permission to show this on YouTube and our social media channels.
Yeah.
Great. Say bye.
Say bye, Eileen.
So here we are at the end of the East Branch Brandywine Trail. Before I leave you, here's the trivia question. This trail was once used for something else between 1902 and 1929. To find the answer to this question and get our career tip for the day, please go to our website, samnovainc.com, click on Services, and then Career Trails. Please remember to like and subscribe to our SamNova channel. So until next time, this is Ed Samuel, career coach with SamNova. Please remember, each and every one of you have the God-given right to get to that better place. See you on the trail soon. God bless.